Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am AIO White. I am talking to you from the studios of White Flash. I am here this morning to discuss with a medical expert, a researcher on the current trend of a coronavirus pandemic that is claiming everywhere. And over the time before this interview, this is a doctor I know very well who have researched into traditional medicine from the roots, herbs, and medical laboratory tests of those things and how they have been put to use. And over the time, those drugs have been tested by the World Health Organization and ascertained to be okay for use in cure of malaria and other tropical diseases. Today, we are here to talk with him on the coronavirus and some other things about it. I'm talking about no any other person, but Dr. Ben Amodu. Sir, you are welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Sir, currently there is this widespread of coronavirus across the world, and it has crept into Nigeria as a country, and particularly Abuja here, and it's going around the country. What exactly is this coronavirus?
Coronavirus is one of the viruses recently seen within the Wuhan region of China. From November, December of last year, the epidemics, which is now a pandemic, started from that Wuhan region. And I can recall that the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, when the incident started, gave a general notice on the television that whoever has any information by way of research with respect to this virus should bring forth to his office.
Okay, in that regard, have you forwarded your research to the minister?
I am the first person to forward the letter to him that in response to your advert on the television, I am specific in the research area of viruses. I haven't treated HIV/AIDS, whose results you are aware.
The minister?
Yes.
Okay.
Which results are also on the internet.
Okay.
Of people I've never met who have used this product and have given favorable results.
Okay.
I have also, well, abroad, when they make good claim like that, they publicize, they say it out. But because we are in a developing country, even when you have results, nobody wants you to talk about it.
Okay, from your research and the study of the coronavirus as it is, because I understand from my finding that you are a specialist in virus and other things like that. Do you think your drugs can cure the coronavirus?
Of course. As a matter of fact, my research in the last 35 years is into communicable and non-communicable diseases. And under the communicable diseases like HIV/AIDS,
okay,
feature there. Hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, tuberculosis, Ebola, Zika virus, and related, Lassa, dengue fever, mentioned them. They are all there. Now we are talking of corona. We are even going to wait for Toyota, which is here to come. So
long as it's a virus.
Yes. To put it in proper perspective, my area of communicable diseases are mostly virus related. So to speak about it, I'm not a jack of all trades. I am in that area, and this virus comes within the jurisdiction of where I work. So question of anyone that comes up does not arise. This is specific. Now, I want to give an in-depth analysis. When the virus came out, the mode of its transmission made me to quickly think on how to have a vaccine against it.
Okay.
We were told that it attacks the throat first.
Okay.
And I have a material that treats throat cancer. Cancer is the highest disease. And cancer of the throat is the highest disease of the throat. Any other diseases, including corona, will be a child's play.
Okay. I think about last week or there about the President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, make a declaration that chloroquine can be used to tackle the coronavirus. What is the correlation between your drug and chloroquine?
Oh, that's a good one. Even before we go there, let's finish that one of vaccine, because this vaccine is novel, because nobody has any vaccine. If they have, my own came first. The idea of the vaccine, how did it come? This product of ours were being used during the Ebola issues.
Okay.
So when Ebola came out,
it means it has been tested, it has been put to use.
Of course.
Okay.
When Ebola came out, our HIV patients were on our products. So we decided to say, hey, come, let's take your baseline. And we took their baseline.
Okay.
What I mean, their CD4 count and their CD8. CD4 is for HIV.
Okay.
CD8 is for the hemorrhagic infection, SARS, MERS, Ebola, Zika, and now Corona. CD8.
Okay.
So when we took the CD4 and CD8 of these patients, we gave them new drugs, and then 3 months later, we repeated. When we checked the baseline, we found that the CD4 had gone up.
This is scientific.
Viral load down. We checked their CD8 compared to the initial one we took 3 months ago.
That's before the drug.
Some of them tripled the CD8, which shows that they are going to be effective in the hemorrhagic fevers, including Corona, because there are little modifications. All these viruses are related. That is why one treatment for one treats the other.
That is great.
So without wasting much time, we now compounded this double-barrel vaccine, which has ability to boost the immune system of the organism, and then increases the CD8, and then block any form of attack around the throat, thereby disallowing the virus from degenerating into pneumonia, into lung diseases, and then fibrosis of the lungs.
Then again, this question, because there are a lot of people after the...
No, I'm not finished.
Okay.
Assuming that is why it's a combo. The vaccine does its own at the throat.
Okay.
If it mistakenly enters now into the lungs, the Sapphire 6, which has been tested in the Texas State University in the US, and have been found to cure pneumonia.
Sapphire 6 is one of your drugs.
Yes,
okay.
It's one of the combinations you took yesterday.
Okay.
So Sapphire 6 will now take care of issues of pneumonia, issues of lung diseases,
okay.
and prevent fibrosis of the lungs. So you can see.
Yeah.
Then the SAB and the SABMAR will join hands and boost the entire system and dislodge and disallow. Because anybody that have even contacted Corona and have come out of it, there is a possibility of having a 50% issues with the lungs for his later part
even
of
when
life.
it's cured of the Corona. Okay.
Yes, this is why our proposal to the world is the best. With our Sapphire 6, which is a time-tested drug, which was presented to a gathering of over 18,000 American scientists in the US when it was discovered. That was 5 years ago. American scientists came here, took 5 of my anti-cancers, went to the US, in the state of Texas, in the university, decided to test. The first to be tested was Sapphire 6. It was for colon cancer. As it was going well for colon cancer, they saw that it could also go for lung cancer. One product.
And at the end, they are certified that it's okay for use.
No, they, as a matter of fact, tested it for both cancers. And they found over 89% effectiveness in both cancers. So those people who open both sides of their mouth to criticize herbal medicine, they can have a break. Because before now, I am of the opinion that because herbal products are a combo, they can do so many things.
That is true.
So the issue of somebody coming and they say one thing does this, one thing does that, one thing does that. What is the meaning of that? These are things that have been proved experimentally, and I'm giving it here now. Talk of issue of Trump and chloroquine.
Chloroquine, yes.
10 years ago, about 11 years ago, we discovered Sabmal. On the
That's another of your drugs.
Another of my drugs, Sabmal. The SAB that treats malaria. SAB that treats malaria.
Sabmal.
Yes,
That's okay.
Yes.
That's okay.
And on an NTA interview session, I have told them that from SAB, we are going to get a very strong drug that will be purely devoted for malaria. And we discovered it, Sabmal. while we were doing a local research here, Nigeria went to China to get artemether annua, the Chinese plant, which state government and other people spent over 3.6 billion to clear land. Up to the time I'm talking to you, I've not seen any product that has come out of there. That one cover has not been given to me. I was able to do a local research here, and I got a product that has 97% effectiveness against
97%.
97% against P. falciparum, the causative agent of malaria. Now, let's go to the point raised by our senior researcher, the President of America,
Donald Trump,
in terms of
chloroquine.
Malaria, chloroquine, which is an anti-malaria, will also go for corona. I want to say that by virtue of our presentation 10 years ago at the United Nations about my discovery of Sabmal, which was, the presentation was prophylaxis, the use of Sabmal for prophylaxis, the use of Sabmal for suppression of malaria, the use of Sabmal for the curative effect on malaria, and in all, it was used against chloroquine and pyrimethamine, which is Paludrin.
Yes.
These are the time-tested anti-malaria in the world.
So the three drugs were put to test. That is chloroquine, Paludrin, and your own.
And my own Sabmal.
Okay.
And my own came with a comparative effectiveness, with very serious anti-malaria activity against the begging. That is why today we cure fibroid without operation. We cure the blockade of fallopian tube without operation. Infertility, even people that have attempted IVF will reverse it without any operative procedure.
That's great.
Because of this cure for the 3 megabugs. And even pneumonia, which Sulfur-6 cures. It cures and it prevents. The good thing about herbal medicine, they have prevention and cure properties. But when people make noise, until we went to WHO, they will say people are just making claim. This is now beyond making claim. And it was as a result of this.
Sorry, excuse me, sir.
No, let me
I mean, all those things you've listed, there are documents to it.
Of course. They are WHO documents. They are here in my house.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because that is the issue most people raise. They say those are things that have not been tested. Those have not been proved to, put to test. There are no proof to it.
No, not this one.
So if it has been put to test and ascertained by United Nations, I don't think there's anything wrong.
No. We have presented our document to Federal Minister of Health. They are seeing it. We have presented the same document to Federal Minister of Science and Technology. We are not new into this area. Then, we follow the best practices. Let me tell you, even the COVID-19, we have already written a peer-reviewed journal. Has been written to international organizations for approval and publication. The same way that Sabmal has been published by the Indian Journal of Medical Research, which is over 140 years old. It has published our discovery and listed Abejukolo, where my farm is located, in the publication.
That's serious.
And you know, in science, once you have peer-reviewed like this, published, that is the end of argument. Is the end of evidence. Is the end of argument.
So, by my understanding, the drug already for, what did you call it? Something 19.
COVID-19.
COVID-19.
We have sent
it's already for publication. It's already out for publication.
Yes,
so that the world community can look at your claim
and key into it.
Look at your claim, assess it, give them evidence, and they publish.
Yes, and the drug is also available for immediate analysis, which we've sent to a chemical company in Kaduna. They have analyzed it and they have found it to have met all the requirements. And just like FDA in the US gave approval 2 weeks ago of the use of certain products without even undergoing any approval because of emergency.
Yes,
just like I'm a procurement officer. When there is an emergency like this, there is an emergency approval. You just follow the procedure.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is the much you can take for now over this interview about the drugs for coronavirus. And to those of you there that still have questions and other things, there are still time to it, and I'm sure doctor will be available to answer your questions, because the next interview is going to be an interactive section where people can call as we are talking. They can ask questions, and we go about it.
Calling on individuals to, as a matter of fact, take something that is protective, follow all the hygiene protocol.
That's the point I want to make.
Yes.
Now, while we are talking about this drug, prevention, they say, is better than cure.
No doubt.
Be careful and be mindful of your hygiene. Wash your hand.
Follow the entire protocol. Cover your mouth.
And all of them.
Sneeze into handkerchief or into your hands. Wash them as frequently as possible. Just all the hygiene protocols as enunciated by Federal Ministry of Health.
You are welcome, and hope to see you again another time and very shortly. Thank you.